So the party's over with. We're about to take my grandma to the strip club, right, cousin?
She here.
Turn the car in circles until the tires bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today we are on our way to the Trap Music Museum.
To go visit T.I.
To go visit T.I.? Hey, I thought I was T.I. Stole my whole style, you know that, right? He grew his hair, he started wearing glasses like me, now he got his dreads braided up like mine. It's like, it's crazy. And I was showing people like, damn, he do look like you. But anyways, guys, I'm about to go link up with my cousin and his wife and my auntie, which is my mom's sister, and I'm about to link up with my mom, so it's pretty dope. And plus my cousin, yeah, that's my cousin's mom, so it's pretty cool, man. So it's kind of like both their oldest son and their woman, and yeah, it's pretty dope, man. So we just came up with this yesterday while we was at the wedding, man. Hope y'all guys enjoyed that video yesterday. What is that damn key at? Hop in there. Pushed. Hey, this thing only got 963 miles. Damn. But anyways, guys, let me put this in the GPS. Let me go ahead and put this in my GPS. Let me show y'all what I'm working with, though. I got this Malibu. I'm pretty sure it's a new thing. But let me go ahead and tie my J's up, man. I'm poloed down, looking like a real boss player. You know what I mean? No. Nope. So guys, we made it up over here. I don't know what the escape the trap. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm gonna ask them. Might want to try that too while we're here. So when you first walk in here, bam, that's cool, man. It's tight. Payphone. That's pretty dope.
You heard everything I told them?
No, really?
Now that's okay, sweetheart. We do ask everyone, please do not touch anything in the museum, nor lay your personal items down on anything. Everyone is going to exit in the back, and it's also a full bar in the back.
Okay.
Nah, just showing you how the hood store goes.
This is the hood store?
Yeah. You have to. It's for sure.
I was like, can I afford this?
No, it's for sure. Oh, it's for sure.
Y'all already purchased it?
Yeah.
Got all the little
And please step right into the window first. Can you please get your order number out loud?
Oh, yeah.
Good times.
This is the trap house, baby.
Oh, yeah. Make sure you sit your ass on that plastic.
This is exactly what I remember.
Marty, make sure you sit your ass on that plastic.
Babe, this is exactly how I remember it.
Man, that's crazy. Got it all boarded up. Up in the bando.
The policeman's coming in, look.
That's fun.
You ready to go to sleep? Got the mattress ready.
Yeah. CD player. They got good times playing. Damn, they got it. Damn, they really got the Swisher Sweets, the weed, big ass remote. That's crazy.
Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, hey.
That old ass.
They got Nipsey. They got Nipsey Hussle. Got Nipsey. Yeah, I got the bicycle. Be on missions and stuff, riding bikes. I need that. Got the little jewelry, the Hennessy. That shit crazy. Huh. Brought back so many memories. They got that music playing, y'all. Y'all know I can't. I ain't trying to get copyrighted or nothing, but they got that music playing. See what they. I ain't got so much stuff on. Ooh. Ugh. Oh. Oh, this T.I.'s little outfits. His little gun collection. His gun collection, the ones he got caught that. Damn, man. Big ass guy.
I know. Those are like some Western guns.
These some big ass guns. He was ready for war.
Yeah, what you doing? Babe, look, stand right there. Now pose. Look, that picture.
Oh, yeah, he's stupid. Yeah. A little soup.
Thank you. You saved it. Thank you. Wait, this one blurry.
Is that an offset?
Yeah. That's crazy. We in the studio.
Or some tracks.
Rapping on Pro Tools at the lab. Man, oh, and all the classics. Oh man, they got that copyright playing. What is this? Got some good art. Oh, dope. This is dope. That's fine. In the project buildings. We see enough of that with Pops. Hey, on those the project buildings, we see enough of these at Pops. Oh yeah. We got some nice ass art. I need some art to put on my wall at the house. That shit clean, man. I need someone to make me one of these. I want to make one of these for my house.
Hey, B. Y'all may like this thing here with me.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn. All these packs. Got these packs.
Shit.
Oh,
It's snowballing.
people try to remove the bricks. The bricks. Easy.
Damn, man. This is dope.
Pushing them pounds. Damn, bricks. Brick by bricks. Pushing them bricks. I should have had it more lit up over here though.
Well, they don't want you to see how fast
Got them bricks. Man. Money.
Nah, you're right. They more cold. This is trap house.
This is how you cook it right here.
They got a cocaine go scale. They chop it.
Damn, they make it look exactly like
They
how
put
it
it in a
is.
little glass bowl.
Yeah.
Well,
They're getting
then, what you doing over there?
trying to get this money, man. I wonder what it tastes like.
Oh my gosh, baby, stop. Is it right? Is it just right?
Get this money, man. You gotta get it, man.
Cause ain't nothing ever clean.
No, it's a trap. They trying to get it. This ain't their personal house. They trying to get it. You know what I mean? This ain't their personal. Yeah, they're trying to get money. They ain't trying to. Oh,
Look at that.
or what they say, cookhouse. Cabin, it's a cookhouse. Oh, they got money frozen. Baking soda.
Look at what the top of the fridge looks like.
Ketchup. Old Kool-Aid. Old. The trap. T.I.'s little Sang. Got a Chevy Caprice right here. 2-door. I don't get why it's all pink, but hey, it's like that. Yeah, ho. Hey, that's pretty dope. This is Jared. Gotta have that Nipsey Hustle, that Nipsey Blue. For lottery. Oh man. What the hell? They got the jail cell. That's to my dog. Got the toilet. Look at the view, y'all. Look at the view from the room. Oh, I see it. But now it's time to get back out there. You see it? Bam, bam, bam. Let's get it. Yay! Man. We out here. We out here. Y'all see it, man. What kind of high class joint is this? Y'all see it, man. Baby, you killing yourself. You know myself too. Man, maybe we could do. Bitch, goodbye. No, you can't fuck with me. Get the fuck out, bitch. You still in my deal? Get full of shit. I'm feeling myself. I'm in a feeling, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm in a feeling, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm in a feeling, I'm feeling myself. Hey, 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 hey. First, I do like this. Put a fake to my face like I smell some peace. You know what I'm saying? Let's start to earth. So the party's over with. We're about to take my grandma to the strip club, right, cousin?
She here.
Y'all get into it, man.
We're gonna, hey, grandma paying for everything. Grandma paying for everything. My grandma paying for everything. She got her own section, everything. Huh?
I know. I missed out.
Hey, grandma getting her own section.
Table service.
Table service. Everybody invited. Bottles, everything on Miss Mill.
Miss Mills.
Hey, million. Hey, Mrs. Moneybag. You going too?
In my apartment.
You going too?
Where?
Grandma paying. We're going to Madison. She getting a booth and everything. She paying for everything.
Be there.
Everything. Grandma paying for everything. But hey, grandma, get that little checkbook out. We about to go.
Check! Boy, come here. Let me write you a check.
The check bounced. Oh man. Now we up here eating. You feel me? My auntie, my grandma, my mom, Bad Money. That's it. What type of high joint class is this? Then you open it and then you see like, oh okay. That's really dope. Like they just, they running the ads on there truck today. They went straight digital. I will like. What is that doing? Oh, I don't got none of this stuff up there. It's crazy. Got commercials on, commercials on top of it. That's pretty dope. See, they got commercials and stuff. It's pretty dope. I like that. High tech.
Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.